All right, all my curly hair girls, I am here with Color Wow and we are launching a new product that I am so excited to tell you about. It is Dream Coat for curly hair. I'm gonna give you 5 great reasons why this is gonna change your life. Reason number 5, it's one product and done. You can get rid of all the other products that you were using before. Number 4, you don't have to use heat with this product, so you can spray it throughout your hair after you shampoo and condition all throughout while it's wet, and then just allow it to air dry. Reason number 3, there is no alcohol in this product, so it's not going to dry your hair out. Reason number 2, for a lot of people that have an inconsistent texture, maybe it's more curly in the back and a little straighter in the front, you can actually apply an iron right over top of this just to get a few pieces around the face and really enhance that curl. Reason number 1, this product is going to give you all the moisture and hold that any of those other products were giving you, but without the weight. I cannot recommend this product enough, so run, do not walk to get Dream Coat for curly hair.